We call this Black Lace Girls. It is a 1 meter wide print, black and transparent. We're going to dip this on white today. There's probably maybe 4 or 5 different girls in this pattern. We're going to soak it at 60 seconds for 90 degrees. We're using Hydrographics Activator and a 1.8 tip. Some people use, everybody uses a different tip. It's all in your gun setup. I mean, I've sprayed activator with an airbrush before. That is black lace over white. Kind of lingerie girls, boudoir style print. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.